See Blue hiding the peanut? Pretty smart, huh? And it got stolen. Oh no, there's two. They're both planting them there. They're hiding them from the squirrels. They're getting smart now. Blue jays in action before a big storm that's on the way. There you are, your favorite spot. Yep. And your buddy. Today is October 10th, and I dedicate this pretty video. Well, I think it's pretty anyway. What's that? The mockingbird, yes. Was standing on the flag. Thank you. I want to say this video is for Mike. You missed out on all this, buddy. But guess what? I can see it for you. Because that's what I do.